What really drove us to find this boat and to bring it to the U.S. is the cabin. The cabin is huge.
Yeah, this is something else. A 25-foot aluminum boat was nominated for European Design Award and has just arrived in the U.S. for the first time. The Swedes have been building Ockelbos for decades. Mike Atkinson had to become the U.S. dealer just to get one. That's why I wanted the man who brought the first one to the U.S. to walk us through what makes this boat so different. Take it away, Mike.
Yeah, so the things that I love about the boat, again, all aluminum. I am not in the washing, waxing, and polishing time of my life anymore. I'm in the rinsing time of my life. But yeah, you come on, easy entry, good handrails, into the swim step from either the back or the side. If you want to come over the edge, we have anti-skid tread here, handrails, you can come over the edge. You're in the cockpit. The boat is full of nice design touches and tons of storage. In terms of the nice design touches, if you look at the cleats, beautiful. They make the cleats themselves. We have a seat. We have a stepping platform for stepping on. We also have the first of what is many amounts of storage. Little touches, reinforcement of this seat so that it does not, flex or bend. Everything has gas struts on it. Here you have not only storage, but you have the diesel heater. The diesel heater is nice. The diesel heater and the diesel tank. Down there, you don't have to see it, but fuel water separator is accessible from the outside if you need to look at it, as opposed to having to dig through into the guts of the boat in order to get it. More storage. Over here, I have the shore power option. I can fit two of my larger fenders there. Those are my lock fenders. And then this is the electrical nerve center. It's not, popping up all the way only because the shore power cord is plugged in. The Swedes have a very similar weather pattern as us, except that it gets even colder, so condensation becomes more of an issue. As you look at the storage, every enclosed storage space is vented. And the last thing in the cockpit is full self-bailing. We've got handmade scuppers there. The front cockpit also self-bailing. And then the last touch we have on the option, aft table. Perfect place for a sundowner. Easy up, easy down. Water, completely weather-proofed, so it can stay in place all the time.
That's fantastic. Great diamond plate. Tell us about the engine options, Mike.
The Ockelbo B25 CAB is available with Mercury engines, 250 all the way up through 425. I've ridden on the 300 horsepower version. I've ridden on the 400 horsepower version. It really is a beautiful power plant. You're able to get it to 52 knots, cruising in the 30 knot range very easily and efficiently. The Mercury engine works really well here. The parent company, Anytec Boats, has entered into an exclusive arrangement with Mercury to provide solely Mercury engines on them because they're married so well to how the hull performs.
Take us through. This is a really unique layout, great use of space from what I've seen.
Happy to take you inside now. Very sturdy door and something to pay attention to. The magnet on that holds the doors open while you're underway is stout. What really drove us to find this boat and to bring it to the U.S. is the cabin. The cabin is huge.
Yeah, this is something else.
Yeah, you can seat 8. You have 6'7" headroom, because I had a 6'7" guy in here before and his head was touching, so maybe it's 6'6". Storage abounds again. Storage under both seats. There's all my coats and my life jackets and extra dock lines.
They clearly thought it all the way through.
Once you're in, it gets real quiet.
Real quiet, yeah.
Because it's, again, fully upholstered and insulated inside. And once you're in, not just storage, but we have a complete U-shaped sofa.
Yeah, they have really maximized every square inch in here. Brilliant.
You can seat 8 very comfortably, seat 6 very spaciously, never touching this. This also becomes part of the bed. You can, this whole space, there's slats. I won't put it up here, but
So
there
these
is
all
a
pull
complete
out,
bed
and this
option.
becomes
Yep.
that takes basically the full beam.
Yeah, and when we talk about storage, the table pedestal you can see there is a table with folding leaves so that you can walk around it that can go in place. The bed, the table, the post, the slats, and this cushion, as well as every outside surface cushion, stores in these two storage spaces, and you still have room for life jackets, dock lines, boat hooks, you name it.
Yeah, let's take a look at the helm.
Yeah, so the helm, we have it optioned up a little bit. We have the second screen to show the Mercury. Yeah, you can flip them back and forth, but I keep the small screen dedicated to the Mercury options. I have the larger screen dedicated to more of the navigation, charts, and fish finders. We have on here the performance seats, an Ockelbo design. They use an off-road racing piston, and they've designed these seats. They are tunable to your individual weight, and they just take all the bumps out of the ferry weights and the waves out in the sound.
Same on this side?
Yep. The performance seats, go both ways. The standard boat comes with 2 wireless chargers. It has wired chargers. I've added the Fusion stereo to it. Zip wakes, auto zip wakes, as you see over here in front of the throttle, all part of the standard package.
Great helm, great little layout. Everything you need right where you need it.
Yeah, it's very nice. And then, we talked about the headroom here. No sense being tall inside if you're going to have trouble getting outside. And I will take you outside now. We take the handles, turn them north, push out and up. Everything gas strut assisted. I have full headroom here as I walk out to the bow.
And really spacious out here.
Yeah, and you can see we have non-cushion there just because we haven't put it in place. We have the cushions in place here. There is storage under every one of these spots, and kind of fun. One of the things, just a nice little design. Integrated, dedicated fender storage.
Oh, that's great.
So you just slide the fenders there. They're not rolling around. They're ready for you. Huge storage space here. I have my handheld anchor, some anchor line. You can get a windlass. And this is the anchor chain locker. Again, as you see,
Everything vented. Yeah.
vented. Everything's vented. Again, the cleats are designed. These are rated to be towed by if you happen to have a large enough boat where this was a tender for it. It's nice. Outboard, vents, if you're not running the diesel heat. And there was a number of the vents, pointed at the windows to make sure everything stays defrosted when you're running with the cabin all closed up.
But great lines, inverted window. I mean, it's built for some rough weather. For sure.
Yeah, the reverse-raked windows. One, it's great for clearing in with gnarly waves and weather. Honestly, the other thing it's really good for in the summer, a whole lot less glare surface and heat gain coming in because they're tucked away. For the summer, some people talk about, the enclosed cabin, is it going to be comfortable in the summer?
Yeah.
You run like that in the summer, keep the back door open, and between the sliding side windows that are an option, the 2 sliding roof hatches that are standard, you've got all the ventilation that you would need. We have lighting forward and aft, light bars, LED light bars forward and aft. Yeah, it's a
really well
great little
boat.
Yeah.
Yes. Even down to the clear door here. I mean, you've got so much light on in the cabin. That
You do.
Just really thought.
And I wish we could reach through that camera and you could feel this thing. It's like a tank hatch.
Yeah.
It is just stout. And then that's how the whole boat's built. It's fully welded, incredibly rigid. Since it's coming from Sweden, my joke has been, I'm a world's strongest man aficionado. From back when I was a child, Magnus Samuelsson is a Swedish strong man. But yes, I say it grips the water like Magnus Samuelsson grips the Atlas stones. Yeah, it's always in place. The zip wakes keep it level. It's a beautiful driving boat.
It is. I'm really, really impressed. Just it's so well thought out. The use of space is absolutely incredible. And
Yeah.
the build quality is evident everywhere.
Well, and the little touches. Look at these hinges. This is storage. Look at this latch.
Yeah, just built solid everywhere you look.
Yeah, Swedish design philosophy.
For sure. Mike, I can't thank you enough for getting us aboard. This is a real treat to get aboard the first one in the U.S.
The Ockelbo B25 CAB. Appreciate the opportunity. I'm happy to speak to you about it. I got into this because I love this boat. It is the only brand we represent, going to be the only brand we do represent. But yeah, Mike Atkinson with Vasa Marine.
Mike, thanks again. We will have links to your contact information, links to more information on the boat. Leave comments for Mike, leave comments for us. Let us know what you think of this brand new model in the U.S. And we will definitely see you in the next video.
Thank you.